Put yourself in children's shoes. In this miserable world, either you have a conscience that compels you to speak the truth no matter the cost, or you're a psychopath disturbed Zionist justifying occupation crimes, and supporting their right to kill, plunder, and destroy. Now I ask anyone among you to put themselves in the place of these children who have lost their homes, parents, and childhood for no reason other than being born in a geographic area coveted by greedy occupying forces. Those children whose situation resembles that of over 15,000 slaughtered children have become orphans. After putting yourself in their shoes, you can ask if you would forgive and accept a few bucks to rebuild a home, which might be demolished again over your head, or think of avenging your parents' loss. It seems obvious, but Zionist supporters still boast with their twisted arguments, trying to distort facts and blame the resistance, which is essentially an integral part of the people who lost their fathers and sons in Israel's previous attacks. Stop lying to yourselves and stop staining your hands with the blood of these innocents. We, iTechChefs, stand with the people of Palestine. We stand for justice, human rights and freedom. Please pray and share to support oppressed ones and condemn oppressor.